At the EDEX 2025 Security Exhibition in Cairo, Egypt, which ran from December 1 to 4, China displayed a scale model of its advanced WJ-700 attack reconnaissance drone. Reportedly, Egypt may have considered or is considering a limited purchase, although there has been no official confirmation from Egyptian authorities or the manufacturer. Currently, the Egyptian Air Force operates approximately 484 drones, divided between 100 reconnaissance/attack units and 378 surveillance drones. Of these hundreds of drones, several models are supplied by China, such as the ASN-209, CH-5, Wing Long, and Wing Long 2. The WJ-700 is part of the WJ series of drones designed and manufactured by CASIC. Development of the WJ-700 began around 2016, and its first flight was successfully conducted on January 11, 2021. The drone, nicknamed the Falcon, has a maximum takeoff weight of 3.8 tons and a payload capacity of approximately 840 kilograms. It is powered by a single WP-11 Jiuzhai turbofan engine, with a maximum speed of approximately 700 km per hour. The drone can fly at altitudes of 12,000 to 15,000 m, and has an airborne endurance of between 20 and 26 hours. Weapon options for the WJ-700 include C-701 and C-705 anti-ship missiles, SM-102 anti-radar missiles, CM-502 kg precision strike missiles, and 50 to 100 kg class glide bombs.